Key features of the Amendment Act includes the timeline termship has been 90 days to notice to 45 days then 30 days, यानी कि DICGC इंटरिम पेमेंट के लिए नोटिस देती है. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट इट विल कैटर अ पीरियड ऑफ 30 डेज. अगर उसमें इंश्योर नहीं कैटर कर रहा है देन इट विल कॉल फॉर 45 डेज. अगेन अगर उसमें भी नहीं हो पा रहा है देन इट विल रेज टू 90 डेज पीरियड. Furnish the detail of outstanding deposit of corporation. Now there is also 15 days verification. 30 days से भी नहीं हो रहा है then again there is 15 days verification also. Now repayment by banks to DICGC. DICGC may differ repayment due to it and insured bank after insurance payout on the terms decided by DICGC board. यहाँ तक याद रखिए. And in spirit with the rationale of interim payment that is to help depositor while also enabling rescue efforts from the banks. यानी कि बैंक्स के द्वारा जो रेस्क्यू एफर्ट हो रहे हैं तो उसमें भी अगर लेस हो रहा है तो उसको DICGC कंट्रोल कर सकती है. So we should discuss it in detail. So DICGC established the priority of repayment to DICGC both interest and principal amount. A provision for penal interest यानी कि दंड के द्वारा एक इंटरेस्ट भी लगाया जा रहा है in case of delays has been put in the act. If there is a delay more than 90 days then there is penal interest also. Earlier act held that a ceiling of पैसा on premium. So सीलिंग हो रही है कितने की 15 पैसा on first premium and now the ceiling of premium will be notified by DICGC with prior approval of RBI. Now this act provides the ceiling of the provision which again raised to 15 paisa, which is very important as it caters the raise on the premium, and the act came into force over the 1500 crore being paid over the 1.2 lakh depositors. Again their claims early on January 2022. So there is a issue of claiming by the depositors which is again very high, but it lacks for the claim which are to be deposited under this January 22, but it hadn't been deposited so far. Now bank credit growth. Credit growth which has been declining since 2019 now started to increase in this year. Credit growth increase हो रही है. Why credit growth is increasing? Because of investment. Risk capital, that is money raised from the capital markets, so far as more important than the refinancing year. No food bank credit growth driven by the personal loans and agricultural sectors has also gradually improved. So food bank credit growth also improved हुई है because of high agro products, which we also saw in the export sectors. In the previous chapter we were discussing about the export sector, जहाँ पे हमने देखा कि एक्सपोर्ट में भी वैल्यू सबसे ज़्यादा एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर्स की हो रही थी because of India's high yielding agricultural activity and presence of high food growing market in India. Now credit to agriculture continued to register robust growth. Deceleration in credit growth in the services sector also provided through credit industry shows sign of improvement since July 2021. Now digital payment. Digital payment was via UPI. UPI से हो रहा है plus RBI having more monetary over UPI यानी कि भीम ऐप के द्वारा और भारत पे which again rose a high level of liquidity push in the market. Again it was a pay now by Singapore's project, that is pay now in collaboration with Bharat Pay that adopts UPI standard for its QR code. It's also second country after Singapore to have, that is Bhutan has become the second country. Pay now by Singapore and Bhutan which accept the payment from Bharat Pay and Bheem UPI accepted merchant locations, and the real-time fund transfer platform 24/7/365 is immediate payment services. So remember this 24/7/365, again a data for your prelims. Now digital payment solution Government of India does in order to cater the more and more prevalence of various electronic rupees in terms of cryptocurrency, digital currency and other online currency. Government of India provided the e-rupee. So प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी जैसा कि दिख रहे हैं, Honorable Prime Minister shows that e-rupees prepaid feature assured timely payment of the service provider without insolvency of the intermediary, and it is expected to be a revolutionary initiative in the direction of ensuring a leak-proof delivery of welfare services. Now it can also be used for delivering services under schemes meant for providing drugs and nutritional support. So e-rupee will be highly useful in order to have medicines, needful things from the market and immediate services that require a monetary transaction. So e-rupee will be used on that thing. Another digital payment solution launched in August 2021, e-rupee is a person-specific and purpose-specific digital voucher where it is not required for the customer to have a bank account, and is operable on basic phones even in areas which lack internet connection. So these are the benefits of e-rupee, which is available virtually without internet. Remember friends, without internet it is available on the phone. स्मार्टफोन होना चाहिए उसके लिए. Now digital payment index of RBI captures the extent of digitization of payments across the country. The index captures, index क्या क्या चीज़ें कैटर कर रहा है? Index cater the payment level weight of 25%, payment infrastructure demand side factor 10%, demand structure of 15% from supply side, से 15%, payment performance of 45% and consumer centricity 5%. Digital payment index increased from 100 in the March 2018 base period of 304.6 in September 2021. So 100 से बढ़ के ये 304.6 304.6 तक ग्रोथ हो गया है डिजिटल पेमेंट इंडेक्स.